Let's start with coordinate systems. OpenGL utilizes a right-handed coordinate system where the positive x-axis points right, the positive y-axis points up, and the positive z-axis points toward the viewer. Understanding coordinate systems is crucial for positioning objects accurately within a 3D scene. Next, we have vertices. Vertices are the building blocks of 3D geometry in OpenGL. They represent points in space and define the shape and structures of objects. By connecting vertices with edges, OpenGL forms polygons, which make up the surface of 3D models. Lastly, let's discuss shaders. Shaders are small programs written in GLSL, OpenGL shading language, that run directly on the GPU. They define how vertices and pixels are processed during the rendering pipeline. Vertex shaders manipulate vertex position and attributes, while fragment shaders control the color and appearance of pixels.